life,
your identity,
your identity,
choices,
your
journey, choices you make,
growth you seek,
growth
perceive,
you perceive, positivity and mindfulness,
the path
of self-awareness, information. Let the mind talk. Heart, here. Come with us. Explore the depths of positivity, motivation, inspiration, mindfulness, nature, civilization, and self. Personal. All of us, our lives, our experiences, perspective, behavior, questions, answers, retrospections, discussions, together, not just another. It's novel, it's you, it's us, it's time, it's PAI Talks.